Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. Moholo apnalokor Ashmita Ba, and welcome back to the channel. So, junokol lorasoliye mok prothombar dekhise mor kotha okkonman janai diu. I am Ashmita Rekha Bora. I was ranked 9 in Assam Land Revenue Service APSC 2019 batch, which I cleared in my first attempt. তাৰপিছত 2019 পৰা 2024 লৈকে I was with Government of Assam as a civil servant. My last held position was that of a circle officer and executive magistrate. তাৰপিছত 2024 জুনত I quit services, started Sandpaper. এতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ লগত জড়িত হৈ আছো. So today we are going to understand why most APSC plans fail. And most APSC plans fail. এটো fact হয়. যদি 77,000 people are appearing the exam and 280 plus are going to clear and get in, so plan 280 plus or a work korise to get inside the holy PDF. But when we have talked with all the people jar plan work korise who are already in the service, be it my plan, because my plan worked first attempt, Gandhip's plan worked first attempt, our students jun already service ase right since 2019, teulukoru jiti ami plan bilakor upor kotha patu, our friends whoever are already in service, so jeta sobor logote kotha patu because they are the people jar plan work korise, their APSC plan has worked, it has not failed. Tetia ami find out korisu ki there are some common features, kisuman common kam gute gitai korise ji karone teolukor APSC plan to fail hua nai. So there are some very common features amongst all the people jar APSC plan work korise. Not only our APSC people, over the last few months we have talked with many UPSC cleared people jenege amar Punam Dalal Dahiya ma'am. Jetia ami teor logoto kotha patisu, I will shortly post video in conversation with her as well. So teor logoto ami jetia kotha patisu, teor logoto kisman features I have found je common hoise of all the people who have been successful in APSC or UPSC. So itia, what are the common factors which have made their plans work, which have made my plan work? Aru apunar planot ki change anibo lage so that your APSC plan does not fail. So today we are going to understand that. Along with that, we have a very big announcement every year koru. Ebosoru amar time ahi goise for the announcement. Hekane apnalokok announce korim. Jita video to ami kori jam, apnaloke dekhi jam. So today's topic, as we already said, why most APSC plans fail, and today we are going to find out. So number one point of not having a plan which is working for APSC is no foundation. So this is made by our dear ChatGPT from Didile Bonai dise. So no foundation, and this is your APSC dream. যে APSC যোনটো ড্রিম এটা স্টারি নাইট হয়, এটো আপোনালোকৰ APSC বিল্ডিংত হুমুৱা সপনা। সো যদি এই সপনাটোৰ তলত ফাউন্ডেশন না থাকে, ইটস গোইং টু টপল ডাউন। এটা হোৱাট ডু উই আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড বাই ফাউন্ডেশন? আমি ফাউন্ডেশন বুলি ক'লে কি বুজি পাওঁ? ফাউন্ডেশন বুলি আমি ক'লে বুজি পাওঁ the strength of the core subjects. The strength of the core subjects. আর যিমান আপোনাৰ কোৰ সাবজেক্ট ষ্ট্ৰং হয় সিমান আপোনাৰ ফাউন্ডেশন ষ্ট্ৰং হয়। এন্ড যেতিয়া আমি কোৰ সাবজেক্ট ষ্ট্ৰং বুলি কওঁ তাৰ মানে আমি বুজি পাইছো যে ধৰক ইকোনমিক্স, হিষ্ট্ৰী, জিওগ্ৰাফি, আমাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আসাম, পলিটি, these are your core subjects. So আমাৰ problem কিছুমান আমি দেখা পাইছো লৰা ছোৱালী বিলাকৰ, even when I go through the YouTube I find so many students studying. And মই তো দেখিলে বুজি পাইছো কি there is an abnormal amount of concentration which has been given on current affairs. Abnormal amount of interest. যদি আমি সদায় পঢ়ি আছো, যদি we are ধৰক on an average আমি 6 hours পঢ়ি আছো, I have been seeing that 6 hours or para people are giving 2 hours only to current affairs, and this I have only seen in recent times. Talk to every person who has qualified the exam and etu ekdom se koa jabo যে core subjects bilakor jodi strength na thake, only current affairs is not going to take you through the exam. Current affairs is an addition. Etu moi sage bahut bar koisu, agolu koi thakim till you guys realize যে current affairs is an addition. Current affairs is the last mile. যদি 20% কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আহে 80% of your whole part is coming from statics মানে কি core subjects আৰু core subjects যেতিয়ালৈকে আপোনাৰ strong নহয় 20% লৈতো আপুনি এনেও পাছ কৰিব নোৱাৰে because your cut off is minimum 45% ধৰি লৈছো 45 এনে মুৰামুৰি কেনে তলত কেলে যাব লাগে ধৰি লৈছো 45% minimum 45% so 45% কেনেকে ৰিচ কৰিব ইয়াৰ পৰা আগলৈকে you will have to have strength of core subjects তো আমাৰ এনেকুৱা এটা ট্ৰেন্ড হৈছে যে আমি স্ট্যাটিক বিলাকৰ পৰা দূৰলে পলাইছো and we are taking current affairs as an oxygen current affairs নহলে মানে নহবই আমি মানে উখাই লব নোৱাৰিম আমি এক্সামলৈ যাব নোৱাৰিম যদি আমি current affairs নহয় আমি ডেইলি 2 ঘন্টা খেদাব লাগিব আমি ডেইলি 2 ঘন্টা কাটিব লাগিব current affairs পঢ়িব লাগিব and only then our exam is going to be cleared till you keep on thinking like that your exam is going to become very difficult 2 ঘন্টা আপুনি current affairs every day দিছে that does not mean ki you are sure about to not work plan work নকৰিব এটো নহয় কিন্তু যিমান কষ্ট লাগে তাতকে আপুনি অলৰেডি বহুত গুণ কষ্ট কৰিছে because যত নালাগে তত আপোনালোকে কষ্ট কৰি আছে নহয় so আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে already I have statistically found out কি topics আহে কি topics নাহে এটো মই কোৱা কথা নহয় এটো APSC আপোনাক কৈছে we analyze the PYQs and we found out যে কি কাম হৈছে কি ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহিছে কি ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহা নাই so when we found out the PYQs আৰু যেতিয়া আমি statistically analyze কৰিলো what did we find out আমি already আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে এটোৰ ওপৰত stop failing APSC prelims বুলি এটা ভিডিও already বনাইছো যদি আপোনালোকে সোৱা নাই চাই লব stop failing APSC prelims বুলি এটা ভিডিও বনোৱা আছে যত আপোনালোকক statistically আমি analyze কৰি কৈছো কি ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন আহে where it has been seen যে over the years 5 years 17 to 20% question আহিছে from current affairs and the rest are all statics so this static is your foundation আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে আপুনি নিজৰ static strong নকৰে আপুনি নহব current affairs is not oxygen and I will keep on saying this till the trend on social media till the trend on YouTube is getting countered I hope that it gets countered because it is not creating any loss but loss for you so current affairs is not oxygen current affairs or daily time খৰচা কৰিব নালাগে আপোনালোকৰ preparation or 20% time has to be dedicated to current affairs আমি কি কৰো we have a dedicated course towards prelims or age we have a course we do that 20% done and tarpor lorasoli are not even clearing APSC prelims to clear hoise they have cleared departmental exams also and etu aram se hoy goise so you have to study very very strategically and hetu karone number 1 point is having a strong foundation itia building a foundation how can we help you to build the foundation so this is going to be February is going to be the first month jot ami APSC 26 27 or karone program start korisu ita jetia ami APSC 26 27 boli ko I am not talking about the APSC this June 26 or jonto APSC hobo moi he APSC to kotha koa nai I am talking about the APSC which is going to happen in June 27 because itia jodi apuni ami last December we took the last batch for APSC CCE 2025 ami tar karone last batch loisu because this is a very very normal thing ki jodi apuni muk February join kore for foundation okay jodi apni muk February join korise for foundation to February March April May June 5 months or I am not etu moi honestly ko moi apnar foundation build koribo nwaru because eta moi nijor preparation start korislu I started preparation in 2016 and I cleared my exam in 2018 মোৰ exam duration to lamba asile kintu moi aram se 2 years pohisu 1.5 years pohisu because amar February 2018 manote amar mains hoisile so aram se 2000 ki 1.5 বছৰ মই পঢ়িছো 1.5 বছৰ পঢ়ি পেলাই মই নিজৰ exam clear কৰিছো so what have I understood that you will have to give a minimum of 1 year to the like you know to the whole thing apni 1 year man minimum diboi lage jodi apnar osot average time ase if you have average time jodi enokwa hoy ki apnar osot kafi time ase like if you are involved in a job jod apni dhorok 2:30 pisor apnar kunu kaam nai 2:30 pm or pisor bele gote din to khali and you don't have any responsibility tetia apunar time ase tetia maybe 1 year otke kom apunak lagibo pare but 1 year minimum time apni dhori rakhibo lage because 1 year ke suti hole all this thing will be taken care from the coaching part, but apunar revision ki hobo? What will happen to your revision? Revision to hobo lagibo no? So revision karone time ulabo lagibo, MCQ practice karone time ulabo lagibo, answer writing karone time ulabo lagibo, revision karone to time ulabo lagibo ebar kolue. So gute prokriya tut apunak minimum of 1 year lage, minimum. Jodi tatke besi apni time dibo pare tetia to lovely. Hekane what we have started je ami February pura APSCC 2026 boli jeti ami likhisu 2027 at hobo laga juntu prelims hoy tar kone ami admission start korisu, and February is going to be the first month. And how we are going to start? We are going to start with our third year of Arjun 15. এই third year of Arjun 15 কেনেকে হল? আমি যেতিয়া sandpaper start কৰিছিলো in June 24, তেতিয়া we started with an Arjun 15. আমি Arjun 15 or পৰা Arjun 15 or start কৰিছিলো in June 24. Then আমি next year in March second Arjun 15 আমি লৈছিলো, we got that. And then again এতিয়া February 26 এটো March 25 আছিলে, we are taking our next Arjun 15. এই Arjun 15 হকলৰ their course is complete, they are off giving their exams, and now their course is also nearing completion, and now we are ready for the first batch of 2026-27, which is our Arjun 15. So Arjun 15 hoy ki, I don't know whether you know or not, I am hoping that you do. The Arjun 15 is our scholarship batch. It is our scholarship batch. Okay, Arjun 15 is our scholarship batch. আর আমি স্কলারশিপ ব্যাচত 15 জন ল'ৰা ছোৱালী লওঁ, and we don't take them randomly, we take them through a test. So obviously test to loboi lagbo, jodi scholarship batch hoy tar mane you are going to have a portion of your fees cut off, and this we rarely do. Those of you who have talked with us, we are someone who take very limited students per batch. Amar osot 30 jon ল'ৰা ছোৱালী থাকে. January we had 32 because Akshay batcher karone ami dujon manor karone extension create korislo, because they were smart kids, and we hope that mane teolukor jodu dedication ase, we wanted to reciprocate that, but that rarely happens. So this time kintu we don't have 15, okay, we don't have 30, we are going to start with Arjun 15, which is a scholarship batch, and we are only going to take 15 kids. Every year we take 15 kids, so this year also we are going to take 15 kids. Aro ki hoy Arjun 15 not, let me tell you. The Arjun 15 is for beginners and is in a 1 year program. So last year ki hoisile, I will tell you, I am very happy with the kids who joined us, but a lot of experienced kids gave the Arjun 15 exam. Okay, there were people jone interview appear korise, there are people jone like they have appeared interviewed twice, thrice. And I found a lot of people who were experienced, because they were my students only from the time when we were free answer writing initiative that participate in Arjun 15. So we are more now hoping that you are more of a beginner if you want to be a part of Arjun 15. Aru jetia teoluke humai jay, if the experienced kids are coming in, then the beginners are somewhat get lost, because amar upay nai, we have this policy ami 15 jonatke besi nolo. So we are hoping that this time it will be more beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, please don't stop yourself from appearing in the exam. And we will now have an internal mechanism where we find out the experienced kids kun hoy, and they will be given second preference. I'm sorry to say that, but jodi apnalok experience hoy, we have our own database of students, because also we have been in market for last 5 years. So if you are an experienced student and you are appearing for Arjun 15, then there is a probability that you are going to get the second preference. So beginner jodi hoy ba jone prelims qualify kora nai agot, jodi tenuka apnalok hoy ki you have been consistently working towards it but you are stuck, tetia you will get first preference in Arjun 15, because with a foundation program that's going to be very big benefit for you guys. So it is aimed at APSCC 26-27, and ebar ki koriso ami joabar ki korisilo, a few of you got a lot scholarship, few of you got lesser scholarship. This time we made a uniform method. Whoever is going to qualify is going to get 50% scholarship in case you qualify the test. That is what is getting done by Arjun 15. So যদি আপনি Arjun 15 qualify হয়, আমার যোনটো current fees হয়, hey current fees will be slashed down to 50% and then you will be able to avail the foundation course under sandpaper. Now, क्या मिलता है in foundation course? I hope you know only যে foundation course ত আপোনালোকে কি পায়? You will get the complete guidance for prelims, mains and interview. হয় না? You know that you get the complete guidance from prelims, mains till interview. Plus, you will get all the crash courses, all the short modules, whatever comes out, because we have a lot of short modules, right? So crash course, short modules, whatever is aimed in 2026-27, all of this will be free for you. Plus our legendary live answer writing classes, jun karne basic bhag, we have got foundation kits, maximum foundation kits, because a strong mains is only going to make it sure that you qualify. Ine to pohi thaki lab nai jodi mains er atki thake. So all of this is together in your part. Plus all of this will be under the most credible team for APSC in Northeast. So ami ko ki whoever we are, so basic photo banwa hua nai, dujonore photo banwa hoise, so I put it there. So this is me. I teach your polity and I teach your ethics, I teach your international relation, and I teach your live answer writing, the supremely important part. I teach your answer writing, because answer writing nohole means there is a probability you might not get the desired mark. Plus I take care of your current affairs. Every Saturday I come and we teach Assam Essentials is divided between me and Gyandeep. So overall আমি এনেকুৱাকে try কৰিছো to operate out যে officer mentors are taking a big chunk, that the officer mentors are taking a big chunk of your padhai. We are not outsourcing it, we have an expert mentor team as well, but a big chunk of your padhai is taken care by me. And obviously I'm your overall mentor as well, because we in Sandpaper have a mentorship system. I hope you know about it. আমি এটা dedicated mentorship system operate koru. We are not throwing mentorship like a keyword, aise throw kar diya mentor. No, we don't work like that. We have a dedicated mentorship system. And what does a mentor do? The mentor takes your individual care. আপুনি যদি কিবা ধৰণৰ হেল্প বিচাৰে, in case of your time management, in case of your note making, আপুনি যদি কিবা confusion follow কৰি undergo কৰি আছে কি you are not sure ki whatever is happening, you need help, then you have your dedicated mentor who is in for you 24/7. Obviously raat ko to soenge hi log, but they are maximum time available for you. You drop a text, give a call, they will always there for you. Plus amar jonto mentorship system hoy, he mentorship system tour মানে pyramid ke upar I am the overall mentor, and as a overall mentor enekwa hoy ki মানে you will find me pinging you if I don't find you in class, or I will catch hold of you jodi apni class ot next time aise eta class ot ahana second class ot aise I'll catch hold of you ki kya hua, why were you not there? Because what we understand in Sandpaper, je most of the dreams fail because of lack of guidance. Knowledge हम बना लेंगे, हेकने तो अर्जुन 50 फाउंडेशन बैच स्टार्ट करिसो, लेकिन गाइडेंस इज लाइक irreplaceable. যদি আপনি correct guidance না পায়, there are going to be lot more problem, and that is also one of the reasons most plan don't work. So when you decide to enroll in Arjun 15, you are going to get the complete package. You are going to get the inside the mentorship model of Sandpaper, and exam dates 18 তারিখে আমি exam to পাতিছো, and also we are still in conversation ki ami etu completely offline batch banao niki. There is a huge probability that we might convert this into a completely offline batch, because ami bisaru ki apnaloke aru offline ahok, because amar student hokale ki kori ase kahiliparat bohi pelai online class kori ase, lokhorat bohi pelai online class, lokhorat to still dur zoo roadot bohi pelai tinialit bohi pelai online class kori ase. So online class is not better. Amar ecosystem to enokwa ki online offline apni man feel no kore, because the teacher is constantly talking to you. They are constantly talking to you. Enokwa no hoy ki bhul gaye aap so rahe ho, jag rahe, they'll take your names and they will ask you ki what are you doing. Our ecosystem is such a way. Kintu we still want you guys to come offline. We still want যে আপোনালোকে আমাক physically one-on-one mentorship লয়. We want যে you dedicate time. We want যে you are not distracted. We want you to come offline. So হ'ব পাৰে এতিয়ালৈকে আমি decide কৰা নাই, but এক দু দিন में we will announce it যে it might become a 100% offline batch. But your exam date is on 18. Before whatever is there, apni online hok offline hok exam to kane register korok. এই numberটোত phone korok 7638032775 text korok g korok, but Arjun 50 kane apni registration korok aji. Okay, there are only 15 seats by the way ako kolu mai. Now this is me kolu, this is Gyandeep. He is another officer mentor with Sandpaper, aru ejon officer mentor. He was ranked 30 Assam Land and Revenue Service APSC 2019 batch, which he all cleared in his first attempt. He takes care of your Assam part. He takes care of your Assam part. He single-handedly takes care of your Assam part. Plus, he takes care of your internal security. He's legendary for that. Internal security. He is known as that guy june G koi takya hai. He is known for his precision. He is known for his precision. Amar prelims of jiman common ahise 72 out of 100. This is dedicated half to Gyandeep because he is the one who could figure out ki ye important hai. He is the guy behind your test series. He is the guy behind your test series. Ami test series o officer mentor opra design korao plus additions from expert mentors. So he is the guy behind your test series. He is the guy behind your Assam Plus. He is the guy behind your monthly magazines. Current affairs I deal with it. So Gute Gita part, Gyandeep takes care of it. He is an officer mentor with Sandpaper. Plus we have another 3 expert mentors. We have Pushpanjali, who takes care of your history, and she also takes care of your Indian society. And then we have Nishant, who takes care of your geography, takes care of your ecology, environment science, disaster management. And then we have Kostav, who takes care of your economics. So we have 3 expert mentors, 2 officer mentors. Expert mentors ka photo ban raha hai, but then I had to send the announcement today, otherwise late ho jayega. So I will send the give the photo later in Telegram. But this is the team who is ready to take care of you. 4 officer mentors, 2 officer mentors join in during the time of mains. So we have 4 officer mentors, 4 expert mentors. I don't know what more is credible than this. So plus scholarship paise, offline batch start hoise, first batch of February. We are all thrilled because we are ready for the next batch who is coming to appear for next 27. So we are welcoming you with open hearts and Arjun 15 ke liye register kar lena. Okay, next point, why plans fail. Etu amar main topic asile. Eta to ami no foundation kolu, eta kolu starting late. So ki hoy lora choli bilakok specially ohomot ji moi dekha paisu, there is a sort of lethargy বুলি মই কওঁ. There is a sort of lethargy যে lethargy কওঁ, procrastination কওঁ, মানে হবৰ land of লাহে লাহে. We are trying to counter that, right? যে we don't want to be the land of লাহে লাহে anymore. কিন্তু এতিয়া হেনেকুৱা হৈছে. Still people had decision taking লাহে লাহে. Masters কৰি লওঁ, Masters to কৰি লওঁ, B.Ed to কৰি লওঁ, PhD to কৰি লওঁ, চাকৰি এটাত সোমাই লওঁ, তাৰপিছত বিয়া হৈ লওঁ. So all these factors we have heard from our students, and all of these factors are nothing but making you start late. Amar ebar, but this time I am very happy to see যে average age of people jone amar interview dibo aise, average age is like about 24 to 25, but atke besi hobo pare. But moi ji mur sample space dekha paisu moi hetu koisu. Amar time on average age was about 32 to 33. This was the average age. And when I entered, when my exam prepare start course, I was 22, result diya loke I was 23, enter hua loke I was 24. So I was below the average age. There is an advantage of starting early. There is an advantage of starting early. Why? Because you are free from responsibilities. You are definitely free from responsibilities. আপোনাৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা ইমান হুলস্থুল নহয়. You are allowed to explore. আপুনি মিস্টেক কৰিব পৰা আপোনাৰ স্কোপ বেছি থাকে যদি আপুনি early start কৰে. I was late. 22 is actually late. যদি আপুনি UPSC কাৰণে দিল্লী যায়, you will find out that all of your peers are about 16 years, 17 years, and I was the oldest in my batch. So starting late is one of the major reasons why plans are failing. আপোনালোকে যিমান বাহানা বনাব কি এটু আছে মোৰ সময় নাই এটু চাওক এটাই বস্তু চাব কি আপুনি জিও পজিশনত আছে whatever position you are in right now, is this your dream position? Is this your dream position? If it is not your dream position, then start preparing. তার আর কোনো উফ নাই দাড়ি নাই কমা নাই ফুল স্টপ নাই তার আর একো নাই হাই নাই কি হব বাট নাই ইফস নাই nothing at all. If the position you are in right now is not your dream position, start preparing. Just start preparing. Because আজিৰ পৰা 10 বছৰ পিছত when you look back, you will আপনি আপকো you will see যে মই কিয় তেতিয়া ট্রাই নকৰিলো আৰু অলপ কিয় কষ্ট নকৰিলো. Last Friday, মই এটা টপিক লিখিছিলো in Assam Tribune about the concept of 100%. About the concept of 100%. যে APSC হক, UPSC হক, any competitive exam হক, যে আপোনাৰ 100% demand কৰিবই. It will definitely demand your 100%. আমাৰ এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেন্ট লগত আছিলে যাক আমি কৈছো কি কম পঢ়ক মোক নিজকে মোক তেতিয়া পেৰেন্টছ সকলে কৈছিলে কি কম পঢ় মোৰ নিজৰ পেৰেন্টছে মোক কম পঢ় বুলি কৈছিলে because I had gone crazy পঢ়ি I don't know about the people june aram se pass hoye gaise. I am talking about people with average intelligence. I am a person with average intelligence. So average intelligence pora APSC qualify korbo karone moi to ground bahut joldi start korisu moi pohi pagol hoy goisilu. So I am expecting the same to happen ki tat aru word sugar coat korbo na lage. You will have to give your 100%. Aru tat পিছত কৰিম বিএড কৰিলো এমএসসি কৰিলো এমএ কৰিলো পিএইচডি কৰিলো হৰু চাকৰি এটা ঘুমাইলো all these things are just like side me কৰিব লগিয়া কথা. If you are starting late, you are losing an advantage. Your rasta is going to be much difficult. Ejon who is starting late, he is a person who has started late and this is the person who has started early. And it's obvious no eta race ot jodi kunba arambhoni para dori thake and apuni jodi 10 bar pisot dore apuni obviously 10x energy lagabo lagibo no kyunki prothom jonar pa agot jabo lagibo. This is logic. So if you are starting late, it's going to be problem for you. So start today. Just start today. Kotha besi bhabi থাকিব নালাগে. Just start today. Okay? Next, wrong feedback and guidance, very important or very crucial part and very ignored part. Both মানুহে to part ignore কৰি দিয়ে. So যেতিয়া আমাৰ অক্ষয় batch admission হল, when we got our Akshay batch last month, in fact when we got a Akshay batch last year also, this is one part which struck my attention. This is one part juntur more attention to chipki gol, because I got to see papers of the students jone agote likhisile and that abnormally high marks dia ase 160 170 180 enuka ke high marks dia ase, which is very surprising because APSC will never give you 160 out of 250, 170 out of it. That's not possible. Impossible. That is impossible. Okay, that is impossible. যদি আপনি বলে একদম কিতাব ছাপি থৈ আহিছে তথাপিও at max will get 130. Beyond that তার জোয়ান বহুত কম চান্স আছে. But when I got this kind of feedback and students সকলে যেতিয়া আমাক কৈছে কি এনুকা feedback পালে তো এনুকা লাগিব এনো কি সব ঠিকই কৰি আছো. When somebody is getting 160, 170, 180, it's obviously feel that there is no requirement of improvement. Sob thike asu, moi perfect kaam kori asu. So if you are getting this kind of feedback, there is a possibility that the person who is giving a feedback does not have your best interest in mind. Does not have the best interest. Doesn't have the best interest. আপুনি যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ফিডব্যাকৰ এটা জায়গাত পঢ়ি আছে তেতিয়া হলে চাই লব কি কোন মানুহে আপোনাক ফিডব্যাক দি আছে. Who is the person who is giving you feedback? And when you see who is giving you the feedback, you will understand যে কিয় 160 170 দি আছে, because তেওঁলোকে নিজে 160 170 টেকনিকতে চলি আছে and it is not working for them. You have to get the feedback from someone যাৰ প্ল্যানে work কৰিছে, whose plan has worked, because they know कि ये नहीं है वो नहीं है ये नहीं है. এটা বস্তু এটো হয় কি it's not true कि one plan has worked for everyone, এনেকুৱা নহয়, কিন্তু the people whose plans have worked, they will tell you, and all the plans who have worked have similarities. They have similarities. হয় না? UPSC toppers or copy for sabasun, all the toppers they write similarly because that is what is expected from exam. Have a similar pattern. He karone moi koi asu ki jodi apni pattern to identify korbo nware and you go in completely other direction and a completely baki direction and apuni appreciation o pai ase. You are getting like वाह वाह क्या लिखा है वाह 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 very good क्या लिखा है पिछर जब आपने कोई प्लस स्टूडेंट होकर खुदी से कोई से क्वेश्चन टू सेटिस्फाई नहीं किया है शायद आपने I understand क्वेश्चन नहीं सेटिस्फाई किया है but what is the logic of 160 because 160 पाई पेला लोरा सोल लोरा आता है जो एग्जामत गई पेला निजर किबा टू सेटिस्फाई नकरिबो that is not possible हेकने को जे रॉन्ग फीडबैक एंड गाइडेंस एटू की होय कहीं चले जाओगे कहीं उल्टा चले जाओगे एंड जब उल्टा चले जाओगे वहां फंस जाओगे फंसी जाबो तात कोलोय गय आसो गमे ना पाबो बिकॉज़ दैट इज व्हाट आई कीप सेइंग जे एपीएससी इज अ मैराथन ताकू अक्रॉस अ डेजर्ट एपीएससी इज मैराथन अक्रॉस अ डेजर्ट हेकने म एटू नकौ कि আপুনি 100 YouTube वीडियोज पर साइ पेला गाइडेंस लय ময়ো এটা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলতে কৈ আছো বাট দ্যাট ইজ অন ইয়োৰ জাজমেন্ট আপুনি কি ধৰণৰ জাজমেন্ট চাই পেলাই আপুনি কাক ট্ৰাস্ট কৰি আছে দ্যাট ইজ ইয়োৰ কল সো নিজৰ ব্যাকগ্ৰাউন্ড অফ মেন্টৰস চাব লুক এট দ্য ব্যাকগ্ৰাউন্ড অফ ইয়োৰ মেন্টৰস কি ইফ দে হ্যাভ বিকাম মেন্টৰস why should I listen to them what has worked for you what মোৰ এটো কথা তুমি আপুনি যে মোক এটো কথা কৈছে why do I think that it is different ask your mentors look at the guidance जी क्रेडिबिलिटी क्लेम करे उसके अंदर जाओ पूछो why is it not working for you मुझे फीडबैक दिसे आपने निजे क्यों लुआ ना and why is it not working for you আমি যেটা কোচিং সিলেক্ট কৰিছিলো my father asked it left and right অকল এটু এপিএসসি কথা কোৱা নাই এপিএসসি তো I did not take coaching but UPSC কা ho বা আমাৰ যেটা আমি নিজেই কাৰণেও পঢ়িছিলো আমাৰ টাইমটো নিজেই নাছিলে but my father went and asked কি আপোনালোকৰ টিচাৰ কি জানে কি কৰিছে this is a logic খুদিবই লাগে So apuni hudibo ki what is going to happen if you are the ones why is it not working for you why is it working for you he bostu to apni question koribo you need to question it out jodi apni question nokori blind apni ad sai pela gusi jaye pisor aise hi phase rahoge tasot kobo ki we have spent money once we cannot spend money twice regret So be very careful ki with whose feedback are you taking, whose guidance are you taking. And if you are satisfied with people who are claiming that they are suitable to give you guidance or feedback, tetia he apuni tale jabo. But question koro. Question nokorile keneke hobo. Je APSC ecosystem ot apuni jibanot kedoba participate korise, kora nai, nokorile keneke hobo. যদি আপনি एपीएससी because I keep on saying UPSC and APSC में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है more than 50% questions on APSC comes from Assam part and you have not dealt it ever then so হেবলাক বস্তু আপনি question কৰিব because যদি আপনি wrong feedback and guidance লৈ পেলাই যায় then you go in some other direction হেৰাই যাব বুজি নাপাব then it's going to be very difficult for you Fourth point, unsystematic revision system. Juneo ebar prelims dibo. I keep on saying that 100 ba 0 gusi na jabo. 100% apni time dise prelims or 0% time dise apni mains or. A 100-0 category to gusi na jabo. That's not good. Apuni jodi beginner hoy, then I will say you je go into 60-40. 60 अपनी प्रीलिम्स और जाबो लाइबो and 40 अपनी मेंस और जाबो लाइबो because अपनी जदि एकदम 130 मार्क्स লৈ পেলাই अपनी प्रीलिम्स क्लियर কৰিলে and मेंस और अटकी যায় there is no point because I have got students जिने फाली दिए प्रीलिम्स फाली दिए back to back prelims then मेंस में कोबात গৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকৰ ইস্যু ওলাই so you will have to practice both part এই practice both part to কৰিলে if you someone যোনে one back to back prelims ফালি আছে then I will ask you যে আপনি প্রিলিমস ৰ কনক ধৰক 30% টাইম দিয়ক and mains or 70% time diok because enuka lorasuli dekhiso je back to back prelims phale but mains or imane dedication dile je prelims me they got mane lost so hetu bostu hobo na lage be systematic apuni ki create korbo khoise you will have to have a clear picture of it You will have to get a clear picture of it. Systematic revision. Systematic revision নহলে আপুনি recall কৰিব নোৱাৰিব, আপুনি recall কৰিব নোৱাৰিব, MCQ কেনেকৈ দিব? এনেকুৱা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী আছে যে পঢ়ি আছে ৰিভিজন কৰা নাই। যদি আপোনাৰ ফটোগ্ৰাফিক মেমৰি হয় তেতিয়া মই ক'বলৈ একো নাই, but if you are someone like me who keeps on forgetting stuff, আপুনি 6-7 times revision কৰিব পাৰিব লাগিব, because then only it is going to put an impression in your mind. So you will have to be very very sure যে আপুনি যেতিয়া এক্সাম হলত বহে আপুনি কোনো এটা ইনফৰমেশন wrongly retrieve কৰা নাই আপোনাৰ মাইন্ডৰ পৰা, because the information if it is stored in your brain and আপনি এটা MCQ solve কৰিব বিচাৰিছে আৰু এই পইণ্টটো বলে wrongly retrieve হৈছে তেতিয়াটো গণ্ডগোল হৈ যাব। আৰু wrongly retrieve কেতিয়া হ'ব যদি আপুনি ৰিভিজন কৰা নাই। তাৰপিছত আপুনি লাইক ইউ নো 1974 to আপুনি 1964 বুলি মনত পেলাব, then গ'ল আৰু। So it's very important that you have a system of revision. Only then your plan is going to work. Without revision, nothing is going to work. Hekarne, jetia apnaloke prelims organe etia ready hoise. We have a lot of students who have already enrolled with us in Assam Plus. We have people who have enrolled with us in Assam Essentials. We have people who have enrolled with us in test series. We have people who have enrolled with us in current affairs. মই বাৰে বাৰে কওঁ Assam Plus to bar start hua nai, third week start hobo, egita je start hoise, this happens weekly. You have ample time to revise it. Happens weekly, ample time to revise it. Weekly, ample time to revise it. হেকাৰণে আমি weekly ৰাখিছো আৰু অলপ আগতীয়াকে start কৰিছো, because we don't want you to be overpowered with all this একদম last mein jaake. All things this is happening weekly. We want you to slowly revise, because revise নহলে dimagot stick নকৰিব, and that is going to be a problem. Okay? Fifth, late answer writing practice. Very very big problem. Answer writing has two parts. One is content and one is structure. কিন্তু বহুত মানুহে ভুল কৰে answer writing ok structurally limit কৰি থৈ দিয়ে. If you are not able to clear your mains twice, then the problem is not only in structure, there is a huge problem in your content as well. So you will have to see, jodi kiba eta apnar plan work kora nai, if your plan is not working, I am someone who discards the plan. Na change kori do, kahin aur hi chale jate hain. I change the system. Not only in normal thing, in padhai as well, life as well. If a plan is not working, I will discard it and I will change the system. Because মোৰ কথাটো হল, যদি এটা ৰাস্তাৰে গৈ পেলাই মই ডেষ্টিনেশন নাপালো, মই হে ৰাস্তাটোত আৰু ভালকে খুজ পেলাই গলে কি পাই যাম নেকি? Because the ৰাস্তাটো ডেষ্টিনেশনত নহয় ন, my rasta is wrong. So if you have not qualified mains twice, then there is a huge probability that your answer writing needs help. And answer writing getting help does not mean যে আপুনি অকল structured কাম কৰিছে. We have got those people also যোনে structure মানে নিজৰ content পঢ়িছে, twice thrice পঢ়া পিছতো नहीं मिला, but still they are sticking with your content. No, that content needs an upgrade. आपको content upgradation चाहिए. You need an upgradation of your content. যদি হৰু পুখুৰী এটাত মাছ এটা ফুৰি থাকে, যদি হৰু পুখুৰী এটাত মাছটো ফুৰি থাকে, বেলেগ মাছও আছে, then you will see যে হা পুখুৰীটো ভালে জায়গা আছে, মাছটো ফুৰি আছো, বাহিৰত যে সাগৰখন আছে তাত যে আৰু ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ মাছ আছে, যোনে আৰু আপোনাতকে ভালকে পঢ়া শুনা কৰি আছে, how are you going to get to know about it? So আপোনাৰ জিও content আছে, there is a huge requirement to upgrade it. Either নিজে upgrade কৰক, নহলে ক'বাত join কৰি upgrade কৰক, but upgrade কৰক, because it's not working. আৰু হেতু মই ক'ব লাগা হ'ব না লাগে, হেতু নিজে বুজি পাবা হ'ব লাগে যে you need to upgrade it. Only if you upgrade it, it's going to work for you the next time, because the same thing has not worked for you twice. So late answer writing practice is a big problem. আমাৰ answer writing programত মই দেখা পাইছো কি there are people যাক মই dedicated mentor দিব লাগা হৈছে, because their ABCs of answer writing is wrong. The ABC of answer writing যদি wrong হয়, it's very difficult যে অকল check কৰি পেলাই কয়। হেকাৰণে we have live answer writing classes. We have classes in sandpaper. We literally teach you how to write. कि एटू format होबो लगे, एटू format होबो लगे, ये गलत मत करो, वो गलत मत करो. There are classes in sandpaper who takes care of your answer writing. because we have been a dedicated answer writing program for the last 5 years. Recently 2019 hot মোৰ এগৰাকী student আছিলে, I did not know that she is already in AO. So 2019 hot she was a part of Sandpaper 1.0. She has again come back and joined us this year. So this is happening. So jodi ami dedicated answer writing program asilu from past 5 years, so we have become an expert in this. Baki বেলেগ কথা, but answer writing is something which is second to none here. So hetu thekane Sandpaper knows mains বুলি কও. You have seen the quality, but jodi even if you are not with us, to nije answer writing practice korok, nije answer writing practice kori credible feedback log. 160 170 pa feedback nolobo, teti apni improve code koribo. Aru kune feedback diase to sabo, how are you eligible to give the feedback? Ask them. If that's not the thing, then how is it going to be? So these are the 5 major reasons why we have seen that people with APSC plans not working APSC plans have in common. So jar APSC plan work kore, they have a strong foundation, they start early, they have a good feedback and guidance mechanism, they have a systematic revision system, and they have a early answer writing practice. These are the 5 things which we have found common on people jar plan work korise. Or jar work kora nai, they don't have a good foundation, they are starting late, they have a wrong feedback and guidance mechanism, unsystematic revision system, and late answer writing practice. So that is it. That is how it is. Okay? Ako kong, amar Arjun 15 scholarship batch or registration is starting from today. The moment this video goes, it is starting from today. Our hey scholarship batch, we are only going to get 15 people. 50% scholarship for qualifiers. We are aiming first preference for beginners. People who just college se or are in the final year of college. Jodi apni final year of college hoy, be it graduation, be it masters. If you are thinking about APSC, this is your sign. So 18 তাৰিখে exam hoy. 18 তাৰিখে exam পাতিছো আমি, also বেলেগ medium to announce কৰিম বাৰু. But hereby I am announcing Arjun 15, the third batch, the third scholarship batch of Sandpaper in its second year. And I will be very happy if I get to see you in this part, because today or tomorrow you'll need a mentorship. Till then, like, share, subscribe, Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services. Thank you.